Okay, how you doing? Welcome back. So, I stumbled upon something called Toum, T-O-U-M. It's a Lebanese garlic sauce. And it reminded me of this garlic paste that I get in the supermarket. And I was just curious whether or not it tasted the same. They use it on shawarmas. They use it on as a marinade, as a for barbecue. You put it on when you barbecue. I think I can utilize it in quite a few different ways. And it's got a mayonnaise type consistency. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to try to make Toum. And again, first for me, I have no idea if it's going to come out. There's a chance that it can separate if I don't do it right, if I add the oil in too quickly. So what I'm going to do is, on my food processor, I have this. And I don't know if you can see it. Right there in the middle. Yeah, you can see it. Right there in the middle, it's a drizzle hole. So when you make mayonnaise, that's what you do. So you need to add the oil in a stream-like fashion. So that's what I'm going to do. We're going to make Toum. All right. So what you'll need, about a cup of peeled garlic, about a tablespoon of salt. And we're going to start by breaking this up until it starts to, I guess, kind of become creamy, and it's pushed up against the sides. Okay. Just want to take it off the sides. All right. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon of the lemon juice. All right, I'm gonna have to run this, start this instead of pulsing it, so it'll get a little noisy. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drizzle in my attachment here some vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add another tablespoon of the lemon juice. Now I'm going to add some more vegetable oil. Some more lemon juice. Oh, by the way, I don't think I said the amount. The vegetable oil is 2.5 cups. Now, I'm not sure if I should do this, but after the oil runs out, I'm going to stop it, open it, and scrape it down, and then start it again. I see bits on the side. These should be really creamy. Now I'm going to add some more lemon juice. Some more vegetable oil. Now I'm going to add the last of the lemon juice. And then the last of the oil. Right, let's see what we got here. It looks like what I've seen. Oh yeah, look at that. So all that oil is emulsified with the garlic. I wonder what it tastes like. Oh, that's going to make some, oh yeah. It's going to make some really, it's going to be a really good marinade. Because the garlic is raw, there's a spiciness to it. Oh, I can't wait to use that. This stuff looks awesome, tastes awesome. wait to use it. I'll put that in a mason jar and I will put it in the fridge, and I will look for the opportunity to use it. And when I do, definitely going to make a video of it. So anyway, that was another quick first time for me, and I think it was a success. Let me know if you make it and if you tried it, and let me know what you think. All right, don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe, all that jazz, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.